In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the thumbnail on your YouTube Shorts. Okay, so to do this, we're going to be using the YouTube app on the phone. So this is going to be the YouTube app and not the YouTube Studio app. Now, once you're on the app, go to the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. That should be your channel. And here you can click on your videos. Once you've done that, you see a list of all of your videos. But we want to go to Shorts, so click on the Shorts button. Here it will then show you your shorts. You can then click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the video. So once you've done that, click on edit. Now once you've clicked on edit, you'll be able to edit things in this YouTube short, including the thumbnail. If you go to the pencil icon in the top left, you can then scroll through your video and choose a thumbnail image from the video. Please note you cannot upload another image. You cannot upload a custom thumbnail, but you can choose a frame from the video. You can then add text, you can resize the text, you can add things like a border, and you can also go to the filters tab and change the filter as well. So these are the only things that you can change. Once you're happy, click on the tick icon in the top right, and that will then update your thumbnail. Click save in the top right, and you're done.